So in a few minutes, I'll tell you, or I'll show you how you can create an awesome captions on your videos. I mean, who wouldn't like that? CapCut recently updated most of the things we use for free. Everything is now like in pro version, and that includes captions. Like if you want to add captions in your video in CapCut, you have to pay for it. But I have a hack. I swear to God, because like there'll be most these months that I'll be looking for it where to do captions on my videos. I went like literally try different sorts of hacks I would do just to get rid of that pro version on CapCut. So I try as the best I can do, but I was able to come. So I don't know how it happens, but oh yeah, that was on TikTok. So yes, yeah. No, it wasn't on TikTok. I didn't see anyone to recommend that for me. I had to do the research on myself. Then I saw it. Then, but the app now comes with like a watermark. Then after you use that or the app to do the captions, then I'll show you how we can remove the watermark using caption CapCut. So I'm going to show you like you're able to achieve all these things and add captions to your video for free. Yes, exactly, for free. Because you and I know that hey, wahala, me I don't want to be paying money for all this kind of thing, especially all these apps where the country they have like this. So anyways, just follow along, watch to the very end, because I'm going to explain to you how you can basically do all these things, add captions, just like you can see in my video right now. You can see my video is with caption. Don't you like it? Don't you want to have it to be like that? If yes, come on, put it in the comment section below, and boom, let's go into the video. I don't want to the name of the app is called veed caption. So first thing you have to do is you should already have the video you want to make, and you can see there's like the pro version of it obviously, but then let's do what we have to do. We free human beings. So we go choose a video. Now you have to choose the one you want to work with. So this is a couple of videos. So I have to do it in less one because so I don't want it to take much of your time. So let me go with our 29 minutes. Now it's loading your video, and I'll be like, oh yeah, continue with English. Now you can also change the language to the one you want, different type of language. Those the one make your choices. But here we are, English. So let's use English. So it's gonna take a while. Just wait patiently. You got to wait now because it's free. Let's go. So I'm gonna like skip the process so you can just see. So my name is Stanley. So now you can see the whole thing is already here. So all I have to do, I can click on this now. I can see, you can see I can now adjust to down. So I don't want it to be up. I don't want to see here. It's like kind of a little bit better. So if you want to change the style of this, then you can go right over to this place that is written caption style. I click on it and you can see different choices. This is yours, and I think all you click on, you can just make different choice of your own choice. Just the one you think is more fitting or that's like your own taste and all. But I like to keep it simple and easy, just that's why I have to go with that one. But anyways, let's go. So after you're through with this, you click on OK, then see standard HK, VK, 4K, then you export. Then it's gonna download, but it's when you download it, it's gonna come with a watermark. Now we are going to head to CapCut to remove the watermark. Now okay, that one is done. So let's move to CapCut. Of course I like giving them a hash. So move to the CapCut. Here we are. So now this video, but you have to watch carefully because if you miss this step, that's the mainly important one. You understand? So we I think we already have this thing. We should. So this the order. So first thing first, we click on the original one. Original one. That's the one without caption and everything like that. See, without any caption. Then we go overlay. Make sure that all line accordingly. Does the same upload, the same time and everything. So you click on overlay. Then you click on the one that you saw with this thing. See, okay, now you adjust it carefully, and boom. Now all we have to do now is click on this and go right to your mask. Yeah, I guess you get how correctly. Where's that thing, sir? I hate when maybe say you're going to look for something, maybe they show you face. Voila, okay, yes, masks. Then you need to choose the one. I prefer choosing this one. You can go up, take it up, boom, and here we have it. Nah, no, we are not yet done, I guess. Are we? Hold on. Okay, you have to choose this one, this mirror version. So we take it up. Why is it fading? Hold on, it's fading. So I need to adjust that one as well. That fading aspect, nah, it's not gonna be. So here we go. Let's wait for you. Let's wait for the result. Stanley, and we'll come back to another. I'll hold on. Also, that thing that affecting it, so we need to work for it a little bit. Let's go up back to the mask and adjust it. So you can just work. So we just use our two, both of our hand, and adjust these lines. Okay, adjust the lines, and let's see awesome video. So today I'll be showing you or teaching you how it's still there. Put captions in your video. Perfect, just like that. Then we have caption. And thank you for watching. And just in case you have any other question,